Welcome to Best Quality Reviews. Top 10 Best Portable Dishwashers Machines Built in KitchenAid in 2021. Top 1. SD-9263W, 18. Energy Star Portable Dishwasher, White. Color White. Brand SPT. Material Stainless Steel. Controls Type Full Panel. Form Factor Freestanding. Noise 52 decibels. Item Dimensions LXWX823.63x17.64x35.63 inches. Operating frequency 60 Hz. Item weight 118 pounds. Voltage 120 volts. See more about this item. SD-9263W, 18. Energy Star Portable Dishwasher, White. Capacity, 8 place setting. 6 wash programs, Heavy, Normal, Eco, Glass, 90 minutes, Rapid. Stainless steel interior. Rinse aid warning indicator, refill reminder on rinse aid. Top 2. Countertop Dishwasher, Aikoper Portable Compact Dishwasher with 6L built-in water tank and water hose inlet, mini dishwasher with 5 programs, quick, for small apartment, dorms, RVs, black-white. About this item. For your convenience, when it comes to filling this smart dishwasher with water, you can choose manual or automatic option. The automatic option will fill the built-in 6L tank hands-free. If you want to get a dishwasher without changing your kitchen structure, a dishwasher with manual refill mode is your ideal options. You can refill the tank through the top water inlet. Note that the faucet is not part of the package. 5 cleaning modes. This countertop dishwasher features 5 cleaning modes: normal, hygiene, fruit, glass and rapid. Additionally, thanks to the two 360 degrees rotating spray arms that clean at every angle, including some tough-to-reach spots, it cleans your utensils thoroughly. Special mode for your healthy. This portable dishwasher with hygiene mode can heat the water over 158 twice, up to 162 for cleaning oil and stain removal better, and ensure spotless cleaning and stain removal. Make you feel relived and secure to use your utensils in your daily life. Powerful functions and design. This dishwasher has a new high-tech design, auto-opening door at the end of the cycle, and the built-in fan motor will be run at the same time. 2 drying ways to speed up air circulation and improve drying performance. A dishwasher with air refresh function can ventilate it and prevent any unpleasant smells. Note that the unit has been tested with water before leaving the factory, so a little residual water in the unit is normal. Port Top 3. Farberware FDW05ASBWHA Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank, 5 programs, baby care, glass and fruit wash black-white. About this item. Quality control. Note all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Compact design. This convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers RVs. No hookups needed. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the choice to fill the built-in tank so you don't need a water hookup. Water hose is included for a direct water hookup to kitchen faucet, adapter not included. 5 washing programs. You'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-size compact unit that offers 5 wash programs: normal, rapid, fruit wash, baby care and glass. Lower and upper spray arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning. Steam. Steam generated during the baby care cleaning cycle can be used to sanitize baby bottles and give glassware a sparkling clean finish. Rapid wash. The rapid cycle lets you get items clean in only 40 minutes, and when you are done, the automatic air circulation helps to dry dishes. Fruit wash. Fruit basket is included so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned, ready to serve directly from the dishwasher. Top 4. hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher, Energy Star Portable Mini Dishwasher in stainless steel interior for small apartment, office and home kitchen with 6-place setting rack and silverware basket. About this item: a convenient and small Energy Star certified dishwashing machine for cleaning the dishes after dinner or cooking. Simply load the dishes in the dish basket and cutlery rack and let this white dishwasher do the dirty job. Easily sits on countertops or tabletop requiring less space, with simple-to-use control panel and light indicators. Program selector has 6 wash cycle options: heavy, normal, ECO, glass, speed, and rinse for your different dishwashing needs. Delay button light to postpone wash cycle. Features a quick connect assembly with accessories including inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter for water lines that are compatible with round-shaped faucet outlets with removable aerators, and 55/64-27 male or 15/16-27 female threads underneath. Using the rinse aid dispenser, you can dry your plates, mugs, and glass quickly without the marks or streaks. Only use rinse aids designed for an automatic dishwasher to prevent damaging your dishwasher. An indicator light will let you know when to refill the dispenser. This countertop appliance measures 17.2 x 19.6 x 21.6 inches with 6 standard place setting capacity, perfect for small-size household or individuals living in apartments with limited space for huge kitchen appliances. Top 5. Portable countertop dishwasher, 5 washing programs, built-in 3 cups water tank, 3D Cyclone spray, fruit and vegetable cleaning with basket, high temperature, air drying, faucet adapter included. About this item: portable size, 16x16x17.5 inch, 26.4 pounds net weight. Convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers RVs. Multi-washing programs, 6 wash programs, standard, quick, strong, ECO, food and dry. Lower and upper spray arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning. Easy-to-use control panel, the LED digital controls show a clear picture view of wash controls and the automatic water level indicator lets you know when the correct water level has been reached. 2-channel filling up water from tank and hose. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the 2 choice to fill by the built-in tank or a water hose. Water hoses included, adapter included. Detergents, pods, liquid or powder detergents are all acceptable, and it's recommended to only use detergent tablets when running long cycles so the tablets fully dissolve. Top 6. EdgeStar DWP62SV 6-place setting Energy Star rated portable countertop dishwasher, silver. About this item: 6 standard place setting capacity / includes dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket. Holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter / 7 wash cycles / quick connect adapter, fits standard size kitchen faucet / beautiful digital display. Stainless steel interior / fits under most cabinetry / water consumption, normal wash, 2.85 gallons. Power, 1160W / 5.7A / input voltage, 120V / 60 Hz / noise level, 52.3 decibels. Warranty, 1 year parts. 90 days labor / dimensions, WXDX H21 5/8, 550 mm, X19 5/8, 498 mm, X17 5/16, 440 mm. Please note, do not use hand dish detergent pods, or tabs. This will cause the dishwasher to overflow. Top 7. Farberware Professional FDW06ASBWHA Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher with 6-place settings and silverware basket, LED display, Energy Star, white. About this item: dimensions, depth, door shut, with handle, 21.7 inches depth, door shut, without handle, 20 inches depth with door open 90 degrees, 29 inches dishwasher size, 21 inches height, maximum, 17.2 inches height, minimum, 17.2 inches product depth, 21.7 inches product height, 17.2 inches product width, 19.7 inches product weight, 44.1 pounds. 6-place setting. The 6-place setting capacity allows you to wash a variety of dishes, up to 10 inches in diameter, and includes folding down rack shelves and a cutlery basket. Quick installation. Features a quick connect assembly with accessories and adapters included to easily connect directly to your faucet. 7 washing programs. You'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-size compact unit that offers 7 wash programs: heavy, normal, baby care, light, glass, speed 45 minutes, self-clean. Extra drying function. This feature adds extra heat to the final rinse to enhance drying results, but can only be used with the following programs: heavy, normal, light, glass, baby care. Speed wash and self-cleaning. If you need dishes cleaned quickly, the speed cycle lets you get items clean in only 45 minutes. The self-cleaning program provides an effective cleaning of the dishwasher itself. Child lock option allows you to lock the buttons on the control panels so children cannot accidentally start the dishwasher. Top 8. Black+Decker BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher, 6-place settings, white. About this item: 7 superior wash cycles. With this incredible Black+Decker portable dishwasher, you find the right wash cycle that works for you and your dishes. Our 7 wash cycles for this 21.5 inches x 21.7 inches x 17.2 inches dishwasher machine include: normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid and soak. Save water and time in the kitchen cleaning by letting this stainless steel dishwasher do all the hard work. LED display. Set your wash cycle and time with ease thanks to this intuitive dishwasher LED display. Thanks to its easy-to-navigate electronic touch controls, you can see remaining cycle time and even delay start time. Child lock included with portable dishwashing machine to secure maximum safety. Quick connect. Hook up your must-have white dishwasher with a seamless quick connect assembly, hooking right up to the faucet. No need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. With this portable dishwasher, you conveniently connect when you need clean dishes and disconnect when not in use. Impressive capacity. This dishwasher portable ensures you can fit up to 6 place settings at one time. Plates, bowls, saucers, mugs, cups, wine glasses and utensils can be safely and securely positioned for a wash cycle of your choice. Outstanding design. The interior of this spacious portable dishwasher is stainless steel, guaranteeing immaculately clean dishes after every use. Also, top 9. SPT SD-9225DW Compact Countertop Dishwasher Delay Start Energy Star Portable Dishwasher with stainless steel interior and 6-place settings rack silverware basket apartment office home kitchen, white. About this item: 6 wash cycles, heavy, normal, ECO, glass, speed and rinse. Delay start for added convenience, 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours. Universal faucet adapter and quick connect, for quick and easy connection to most kitchen faucets. Electronic controls with LED display. LED displays remaining time or current running state. Water supply warning indicator and rinse aid warning indicator. Top 10. Countertop dishwasher. Aikoper compact portable dishwasher with 6L built-in water tank and water hose inlet. Mini dishwasher with 5 cleaning cycles. Quick, fruit, for small apartment, dorms, RVs, white. Portable and compact design. Dimensions: measure 17.13 inches 16.54 18.31. Come with 3-place setting capacity, can fit 12 inches in diameter at an angle. It's ideal for different places, such as small-size kitchen, apartment, dorms, garage, office room, RVs. Convenient design for you. You can choose manually add the water into the 6L built-in water tank, offering a water pouring helper avoids spilling over water. You can also connect with the water pipe with the inlet to automatically add the water. Dual ways adding water provide you more convenience to meet your actual need. Effective washing. The upper and lower spray arms offer 360 degrees full range of cleaning for your tableware and items in 5 modes, including normal, hygiene, fruit, glass, rapid. Different modes can provide you effective and deep cleaning to meet your daily washing needs. Thorough cleaning. 5 washing mode can easily meet your requirement, especially in the hygiene mode, as the temp can reach 162. In the washing process, it's easy to remove the stubborn stains and oil pollution for effective cleaning. Compare with the other dishwashers, this dishwasher has 2 times high temp washing and rinsing to offer thorough and better cleaning. Multifunctional design. The innovative designs are coming. This dishwasher. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.